The Toyota Landcruiser FJ45 Pickup 2025 brings back the rugged charm of its classic predecessor while integrating modern technology and performance upgrades. The exterior design pays homage to the original FJ45, maintaining its boxy and muscular stance, with a reinforced steel frame, LED headlights, and a bold front grille that enhances its commanding presence. The high ground clearance and aggressive all-terrain tires make it ready for any adventure, whether on rocky trails or city roads. The reinforced cargo bed ensures durability and practicality, allowing for heavy loads without compromising performance. Built for tough terrains, the suspension system of the Toyota Landcruiser FJ45 Pickup 2025 is designed to absorb shocks and provide maximum comfort. The front features an independent suspension setup, while the rear boasts heavy-duty leaf springs that ensure stability even under heavy loads. The upgraded dampers and reinforced chassis further enhance its off-road capability, making it a reliable companion for both work and adventure. The road grip of the 2025 model is exceptional, thanks to its advanced four-wheel drive system and intelligent traction control. The vehicle's adaptive terrain management system allows drivers to switch between different driving modes, optimizing performance on sand, mud, snow, and rocky terrain. The deep tread tires provide excellent grip and ensure that the pickup remains stable even on the most challenging surfaces. Whether climbing steep inclines or navigating tight corners, the FJ45 delivers outstanding handling and control. The Toyota Landcruiser FJ45 Pickup 2025 is powered by a robust V6 twin-turbocharged engine that produces an impressive horsepower and torque output. This ensures that the vehicle accelerates smoothly and maintains top performance under all conditions. The efficient 10-speed automatic transmission allows for seamless gear shifts, optimizing fuel efficiency while providing the necessary power for demanding tasks. The top speed is competitive for its category, ensuring a thrilling yet controlled driving experience. Whether on highways or off-road trails, the powertrain delivers a balanced blend of efficiency and performance. Inside, the 2025 model is designed with modern comforts while preserving the classic feel of the original FJ45. The dashboard features a mix of vintage aesthetics and cutting-edge technology, including a fully digital instrument cluster and an intuitive touchscreen infotainment system. The interior is crafted with premium leather and soft-touch materials, ensuring comfort and durability. The seats are ergonomically designed with ample cushioning and support, featuring heating and ventilation options for an enhanced driving experience. The cabin offers a spacious layout with a mix of modern and classic elements. The leather-wrapped steering wheel, aluminum accents, and strategically placed controls create a driver-centric environment. The advanced climate control system ensures that passengers remain comfortable regardless of external conditions. The Toyota Landcruiser FJ45 Pickup 2025 is built to offer reliability, durability, and luxury in one package, making it a top choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike.